If you have wasted time searching for the right video and only found those who says to use paid software, then this is the video for you. I'll demonstrate 2 methods to add text like Ali Abdaal in CapCut. And guess what? The both methods are free. You won't have to spend a single penny. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. For adding text like Ali Abdaal, first of all, you have to import the talking head video onto the timeline. Then press Shift-Z. Pressing Shift-Z expands the video clip to fill the timeline. Adjust the layout for a better player view. After that, for adding text, click on text on the top left side, then select Auto Captions. Change the language to English and click on Create. It will take some time to generate the text. After that, as you can see, the caption are too long. Like in one line, there are 3 to 4 words. To make it short, navigate to Basic section, click on Captions, then split the text. And make sure that don't leave the space between the text during splitting. At last, select the text layer and make sure that Apply to All is on. Click on Templates, then select the first caption template, and you have the same text like Ali Abdaal. You can also play around with other templates if you want. In this template, it can only display up to 2 words, suitable for short videos, not for long. Fortunately, in second step, I will show you how to add more than 2 words in text like Ali Abdaal. First, you have to select the text layer and select the font Inter Semi-Bold. This font is almost same like Ali Abdaal's one. Then select color and drag the pointer to black area to change its color to black. Then drag it down and select the background and change its color to white. Then drag the rounded rectangle to 48 and height around 6, width to 45, Y offset to 49, and leave the X offset to 50. This will allow for more than 2 words to be displayed. And we have something like this. As you can see, there are more than 2 words. You can also remove the words if you want. Now it's time to add animation. Select all the text layers, press Ctrl+C to copy, and then press Ctrl+V to paste the layers on top of it for making a duplicate layer. After that, select the upper layer and navigate to the animation section. Then select Type 1 or Type 2 animation. I will choose Type 1 animation. Finally, select all the upper text layers and in Basic section, reduce the opacity to around 70. Now you have same text like Ali Abdaal. Additionally, you can further edit the text to your liking. At this moment, if you found value in the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Now, if you want to edit like Ali Abdaal, click on this playlist. I will see you there.